Keep in mind to value your time. This method will only works for a one-off invoice and not available for recurring invoice. So, if you make an error or mistake on your invoice and you want to resend the invoice again as the second invoice while canceling the first invoice, first you want to go to your list of invoice by clicking on the billing option at the left side of your screen. Then tap on the invoices option below it. After that, you may find the invoice you want to resend and click on the three horizontal points at the right side of the invoice. Choose on the duplicate invoice option, and you are free to do some changes to the error or mistake before. And after you are done, click on the review invoice button. Then send the invoice to your customer by clicking on finalize and send. As you can see, right now I have two identical invoices. Then to make your customer not confused by these two, you can cancel or void the first invoice by clicking on that invoice to open it. Click on More option at the top right corner. Then select the Void Invoice option. You may then add some notes for yourself about the invoice canceling and hit Confirm button when you are good with everything. There you go. As you can see, the first invoice has been voided and it will become easier for you to spot on. This is what your customer will see when they open the first invoice, so they cannot do any payment on it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.